The market grinds higher, then sideways, as we look to Fed Week to be the catalyst for the market's next decision. This is Invest with Jacob. All right, guys, so no video yesterday. I do these the night before, and Sunday night was Halloween, and my daughter was super excited about it. We went out as Moana. I was Maui, my daughter was Moana, and my wife was Tafiti, and we had an awesome time. So I apologize for no video, but I had an awesome time with my family instead. So the market over the weekend grinded higher to a new all-time high and then basically traded sideways today or yesterday. And I don't think you're going to see any major moves before the Fed speaks, and that should be the catalyst for what we do next. Now, I'll get into that in just one second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so as I mentioned on Friday, the market pushed up and then over the weekend pushed again to all-time highs and then has been trading sideways since then. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 30-minute futures chart. And before I jump into the analysis, I do want to go over something I posted in my chat room today. If you're not in there, it's a great place to be because you can learn and improve trading there. I'll tell you how to get there later in the video. What I posted was that if you're going to be on this channel, you need to understand what the goal of the channel is. So first of all, Invest with Jacob is a swing trading channel. We are looking to play options on the SPY, okay, against the S&P 500 for one day up to several weeks, possibly even a couple months, depending on the setup. But most of the time, it's going to be several days to weeks that the trade lasts, and then we're going to get out of that trade. We're not looking for longer-term plays as a swing trading account. But what you should have is a longer-term portfolio. So you should have two portfolios that you are trading with. One should be a longer-term portfolio that's just set it and forget it for years. And the other one, okay, is your swing trading or day trading portfolio. And that's where you're looking to catch these moves and trade solid setups. And that's what we do on this channel. So when we got to here, I said this rally was coming. We bought down here and we sold. My mouse isn't quite working right. We sold right here, okay? Now, admittedly, we missed the second half of this move because this was the 1.0 extension. We thought it was going to be a pretty good spot. And so we got out and then it just kept going. Well, that happens. We made a nice gain, and you can't go broke taking profits. Meanwhile, my longer-term portfolio is capturing this whole thing, okay? So just a trading tip, you should have two portfolios if you're trying to swing or day trade, okay? If you only have one portfolio, it should be a longer-term portfolio. But if you want to swing or day trade, you need to have a long-term and then your swing or day trading portfolio so that you can try to maximize the gains and hedge the short positions against your long-term portfolio. All right, guys, so I didn't stress about missing any of this because my long-term portfolio is capturing it, okay? So I realize some of you don't have a long-term portfolio now, and some of you don't have the capital to have two portfolios. And my suggestion is if you don't have the capital for two, you do a longer-term portfolio. This is a bull market. We expect higher. Now, if you want to enter long, I would wait for the pullback, but that's just kind of a trading tip, and so you also understand what this channel's about. All right, let's jump into the analysis. Okay, guys, so with the push higher off of this low here, instead of giving us an A, B, C down, it just gave us a pullback. We have to count this as one of two things, okay? So we either have to count this as all of wave 3 here and a very shallow pullback in 4, and we're moving up in 5 towards 46.42 to 46.50, somewhere in that range. Or we have to count it as like an expanded flat where this is all of 3 and this is A down and we're in B up now and we come down lower in C. So the determining factor of this will be how this market moves from where we are right now, kind of in this middle area, and what happens next. So if we move higher and take out this high, it becomes pretty clear what's happening. We're going up in wave 5. We have invalidated the ABC, and we're looking at this 46.40 to 50 area to top out in all of wave 1, okay, of 5. Then we would expect a wave 2 pullback from that point. Okay, if it continues to move down like it's doing now, it's down, I think, 8 or 9 points right now in the after hours. If it continues to move down and first has to break this low, there was lots of support here today where you see that black line. Okay, it bounced off of there twice. Coming up, it had resistance there twice, so pretty good support level there. If it can break back through that and down under 45.80 here under this 1618 fib, then it looks like this is kind of a local top, and we should be pulling back a little deeper in an ABC correction for wave 4. So to simplify what I said just a little bit, this pullback, okay, was either all of 4 or the start of 4, and we'll see another move down over here. If it was all of 4, we take out the highs. If it was the start of 4, then we take out 45.80 on the way down towards this 45.40 area for an ABC kind of expanded flat. And then we would look up to complete 5 in this 46.40 area. All right. If it goes straight up towards 5, obviously this was all of 4, and we're looking for a wave 2 pullback at that point. All right. So it's pretty straightforward where we're at right now. We have 3 in place, and now we're trying to figure out if we have an ABC for 4 over to here, or if we had all of 4 here, ABC, and now we're tracking 5 up. The reason I have this labeled as a B wave right now, even though it's a higher high, is it's a 3-wave structure. You have 1, 2, 3 up. So without a 5-wave structure, it is still a B wave unless they can come back and take out that high for a 5th wave up to complete wave 5 in this ending diagonal and then give us a pullback from there. If you like the information that I put out in this video and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group, okay? There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you over to Facebook. Once you get to Facebook, you will need to get approved to get in my Facebook group. However, the only thing I ask to get you approved to get in there is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button over on YouTube. Click the link over here to Facebook. I'll get you in the group. Then you want to click this featured button right here, okay? Pay attention to these instructions because this is how you get to the chat channel, all right? Click this featured button. Scroll down. You'll see our documented trades so you can understand what we've been trading on the channel. And then you will see a link to our Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel. I am on there all day during real-time market hours, giving out real-time market updates, such as our buy alerts, our sell alerts, answering your questions, giving you key levels, letting you know where the market is headed as we speak so that you can follow along. It's a very talented group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and an awesome place to learn or improve your trading. So come on over and join us. We would love to have you so we can make some money together. Okay, guys, key takeaways for today. We're watching to see which way we head out of this sideways trading. If we take out the all-time highs, we're headed up towards that 46.40 to 50 area to complete wave 5 up, as all of 4 would be in. If we move down through 45.80 through this 1618 fib here, okay, then it's more likely we're coming down in an expanded flat C wave towards this 45.40 to 45.30 area down, okay? That is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.